What's up guys? Bago tayo mag-start mag-open, mag-giveaway announcement muna tayo. Kapag na-hit na natin ang 200 subscribers, magpapag-giveaway tayo ng dalawang One Piece booster packs. At syempre, may kasama yung mga freebies. Dito muna tayo sa Metro Manila, okay? Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay mag-subscribe, mag-like, at mag-comment kung sinong favorite nyong character. Basta, may gusto kang sabihin?
Let's go, guys!
Let's go! What's up guys? Nandito ako ulit, si Paring Roger. At samahan nyo kami ni Baste mag-open ng PRBO2 One Piece Booster Box. So sa booster box na to, merong 10 booster packs at bawat packs ay may 10 pieces na cards. Okay? Nandito yon kung mababasa nyo. Let's go! Okay, so ito na lang yung naabutan namin na booster box sa Toy Kingdom na napuntahan namin. At nakakalungkot kasi actually yung unang plano namin ay bumili ng tigli-limang booster packs ng PRBO2, EBO2, at OP10 at 11. Kaso ito lang yung naabutan namin. So sadly, no, merong bumili, may namakyaw doon. Pero okay lang naman. So buksan na natin at alam niyo naman ako, gusto kong ano nangyari dito? Yan, gusto kong ano to eh. Pero wag na lang siguro na kasi nadurog na eh, no? Nangyari dito, ba't ayaw ano? Oh, parang may ano lang siya, may mark lang. So, hayaan na lang natin ganyan. So, tiglima kami ni Baste, okay? Tiglima kami. At ayan, wala nang laman. Ihiwalay muna natin yung box. At ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung kay Baste. At dito yung sa akin. Let's go. Okay, so yung gagawin na lang natin, si Baste yung mauuna. At gagawin na lang namin, tiglima kami, no? Pero at the same time na namin tawag dito, ayan,
Open.
parang siya ibabalasa, hindi ibabalasa. Yan, open nga. Hiwalay-hiwalayin ko lang kasi alam niyo na, para mas secured. Kasi kung pagsasabay-sabayan ko, hindi ako ganun ka-confident na gupitin sila at once. Mahirap na, baka yung card yung magupit. Di ba? Okay, so last one. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna do it for you like this one. So, madami siya, okay?
Oh, I can see dogs.
With dons, yeah.
Yes, true. There's a lot
Okay,
of
basta.
dogs.
Here we go.
Oh,
Do
I
it
could
like
see
this,
something. I could see something.
Okay, let's go. This Blackbeard. Those are uncommons, right?
Yeah, I could see something rare.
This one's a
Buggy!
event rare from OP9. Oh, what's this?
Marco.
Marco what?
SR. SR.
SR?
SR.
SR.
Yes.
Nice. Looks good. Yeah, let's
And
put
this
it here.
one. Common.
Oh, look.
What?
Look at the hollow or foil, whatever they call it.
Yeah.
You see that pattern
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
This one's a what?
A common.
A common.
You'll
Okay.
see.
Uncommon, but there's a foil or hollow.
Don.
This is a Don.
Yep. Nami.
Sanji. Bartolomeo. This is Lost Crew.
Okay.
What's this one?
Is a rare.
Rare?
Yeah, the rare.
Let me see. Oh, what's that one?
Oh.
SR?
SR.
SR? Again? SR?
Yeah, SR.
Okay, so yung mga nakuha natin ng mga rare SR, dito mo natin ilagay para mamaya natin ayusin. Kasi dami nito.
Command.
This one's common.
Yeah.
But looks good though, right?
Yeah.
Just look at that.
Uncommon.
Uncommon.
Yeah.
Okay.
And another one. Another Don.
Don. Let's just put everything down there.
Command.
Common. Oh, what's that one?
Wait.
Rare?
Wait.
Let me see.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's a rare.
Oh, I got SR Shanks.
SR Shanks.
Yeah.
Nice, let me see. Wait.
I got a Brock.
This is from OP9. Okay, let's put it down there.
Command. Brock.
Okay, let's put it down. Let's separate it later.
Luffy. P? Yeah.
Maybe that's a promo.
Promo? It's
Yeah.
a promo.
Maybe it's a promo.
Hmm.
It's a Dawn.
Oh, this is from OP10.
Yeah, it's Drake.
X Drake.
Yep. Just make sure that it's in the middle of the camera.
Rare.
Uh-huh. And
SR.
SR. Like, yeah,
UC. Common.
uncommon, yeah. Be careful
Oh,
not to hit
look at that
the stand
one.
of the
The
camera.
command.
But look at this. This is crazy. Yeah.
Look at this one.
Whoa, look at this Dawn.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Fiery duck. Let's see. Done. Okay.
Yep. Let's make sure.
Brock.
Yep.
Brock again.
Mm-hmm. That's Hawkins. Oh, what's that
Oh,
one? It's
SR
Brook. SR
Brock.
Brook. Nice. And what's that one?
Command.
Okay. Uncommon
UC.
again.
Yeah,
Yep.
uncommon. Where can I put this one?
Let's put it down there first. For now.
And
Dawn.
nothing.
Okay, so it's my turn. Pero ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga SRs na nakuha natin, no? Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan nito, si Black Maria ba? Parang ganun, di ko maalala. Basta ito, ayan, sa OP8, kita nyo? Sa OP8 yan. Itong si Brooke sa EB01. Si Marco, ayan, PRBO2 siya. So, pang PRBO2 talaga to. Di ba? Si Hawkins, OP07. At si Shanks ay galing sa OP9. So, pag yung mga galing sa ibang series, no? Ano siya, reprints yung tawag nila. So, ayan, start na tayo. Ganun din gagawin ko, no? So, isa-send ulit natin. Pero so far, no? Okay naman yung nakukuha namin. Kaso, ang gusto sana namin makuha din, syempre, yung mga gold na dons, pati yung si Luffy na Nika. Ganda kasi nun eh. Si Basit talaga may gusto nito ng PRBO2. Kaya sabi ko, sige, try muna natin booster packs tigli 5. Kaso, ayun nga. Ito yung naabutan namin. Wala yung naka-booster packs lang. Teka, ay malaglag nitong sa kabila. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see any gold dons.
Okay.
Oh,
So,
well,
ganito-gantoy na lang natin, ha?
Oh, this promo.
Pangalawa na natin yun.
Yeah, that's not shiny, but
Ah.
Shanji.
Oh, si ano ulit?
SR Shanks.
SR Shanks.
Give me that.
ST16. Hindi ako familiar doon. Pero ang ganda niya, oh. Wait lang, ah. Kasi yung baby ko ay parang iiyak. Okay na. So, kung may naririnig kayo na yung baby ko yun. So, P069. So, P, maybe promo, no? Ay, ito, ang ganda to, ah. SEC? We got a secret, man.
We got a secret?
Sanji.
Damn.
OP06. Wait,
OP06.
no, OP06.
Oh,
Secret.
damn.
Ganda, ah. Nice, nice.
Good job.
Okay. And Don, si Marco, na Don.
That's a bird.
Yep. Nag-transform siya sa Phoenix, si Marco.
Oh.
Ayan.
Oh,
Okay,
I could
let's
see
keep
something
going.
shiny.
Ooh, si Mihawk. SR.
Mihawk.
Sa OP9. Ayos, ah.
Anyway.
Si Mihawk.
Oh, that's our second.
Sabo.
Oh,
Si
we have
Carrot
that
na
one.
Don.
Oh, I could see
Sengoku.
rainbow. I could see
Sino nga
rainbow.
pa pangalan nito? Nakalimutan ko na.
I could see
Ito si
something
Katakuri.
rainbow.
Oh, yes! Ang ganda nito. Blackbeard.
Blackbeard.
OP09. SR.
Oh.
Kahit SR siya pero, I mean,
Yeah.
si Blackbeard is sa mga gusto kong characters din dito. Kahit na nakakainis siya. Pero ang astig niya kasi. Lalo nung nakuha niya yung dalawang devil fruit, no? Pero, wala lang. Trip ko lang.
Yes, you devil fruit.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay. Let's keep going.
There's a rainbow coming. We have that one.
Oh, si Kid. Captain Kid. SR from OP10.
Yeah, the last.
Nice.
Yeah, I could see something rainbow. Nothing new.
Nothing new, huh?
No even gold dons.
Wait. This one's a rare. Si Boa Hancock. SR. PRBO2. So, exclusive to sa PRBO2. Ang ganda, oh. Wow. So, tabi natin dyan. Ano to? Si Bonnie. Alternate rare from PRBO2.
Alternate?
Awesome. Alternate. So we got one secret and one alternate rare.
Wait.
And ayun,
No gold
panghulitong doon.
dons.
Walang gold dons. Okay guys, so ito yung nakuha ko sa 5 booster pack na inopen ko, no? So si Captain Kidd from OP10 SR, si Blackbeard OP9 SR, 9 nga ba? Oh, 9. At si Mihawks OP9 also SR, at itong si Shanks ST16 SR, at OP6 nga ba? Oh, OP6 no? SEC, si Sanji. At ngayon, PRBO2, si Bonnie, alternate rare, at si Boa Hancock, PRBO2 SR. Sa lahat ng mga na-pulls namin, parang si Boa Hancock yung pinakagusto ko kahit na SR lang siya. Ayun. Okay guys, so ayun na yun. Di ko sure kung bibili ako ulit ng booster box nito, pero siguro kung mga booster packs na tagliliman, okay lang. Pero siguro kasi may mga cards nga din ako na gusto makuha dito, tulad nga ni Luffy, pati yung mga gold dons, no? So, na muna sa ngayon. Tapos na kami mag-open neto. Nag-enjoy naman kami pareho ni Baste. At ayun, sana mag-subscribe kayo. At paring Roger out. And peace out!